Hey guys, this is Abhijit, Senior Project Manager from Mizan, and I'm currently based on our project, The Wings, which is located next to Miracle Garden in the Arjan community. We are almost 75% complete the project, and we are cruising towards completion. Having an interesting combination of a studio, 1 bed, 2 bed and 3 bedroom apartments. And we also have a huge terrace apartments on the first floor. We also have the mock-up apartment ready at the project. There's a retail boulevard which is almost spanning 350 meters. We also have a sky lounge which offers you a breathtaking view of the Miracle Garden. We welcome you to visit our project.